Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to Mongolia. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, many countries have started issuing or have adopted the process of e-visa because it's very easy to apply and it also boosts tourism. So same thing Mongolia has implemented too. So in front of you, I've opened this official Mongolia electronic visa site. So this is in three steps: apply, pay, and receive visa. Same, almost same in all other countries I have seen. So now, first of all, you are going to determine if you really need it, because if you're a citizen of one of these countries, you don't need for um, short tourism purposes. But yeah, again, for other purposes and other things, you may need that. You can always check. But for example, if you're an Indian citizen, you need an e-visa. So how you're going to apply? You're going to apply from here. Click on apply now. Nationality, type of passport, applying for, let's say going for tourism, email address, and you will click on next. It will send a link and that you need to verify in order to proceed. So I'm going to do that and then I'm going to see you. Okay, guys. So what happens after this? Like you get a link in the email where you have to click and come to the link. It will again reopen your application. You need to provide some information, like it will, first thing is to upload the passport. It will pick up some details from there and some you can type yourself, like that's what I'm doing. Date of birth, marital status, expiry date, home address, emergency contact in Mongolia if applicable, like if you're going to a hotel, that you can provide. Photo you're gonna upload, supporting documents. Okay, supporting documents like whatever, like you have return ticket, hotel reservation, proof of funds, you can always add that. Then about your criminal conviction, and you know, have you ever been denied a Mongolian visa with a different name? All these details you're gonna do. So after that, you will come in part 3 where it's gonna show you purpose and duration. So date of arrival, you need to do as per your case. Date of departure, you need to do as per your case. And it say that cannot exceed 150 days. And they're going to do 48 hours. Next is going to be your confirming this data and paying the fee. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.